Welcome back, everybody. This week we're going to be doing things a little bit different. We're going to take a break from memoir and we're going to do something as an entire team. So the first class you need to go to is science. In science, you're going to be watching a video, Born to White. And then science and social studies is going to be asking you to ask 10 questions, I believe. So please make sure you do that. When you finish that, you are going to go to Padlet and you will find the link to it on our website or on our Google Classroom. And you are just going to put your thickest question down on the Padlet. Now there's a little X or plus sign, you click that and you type in your question and you're good to go. Please make sure we keep them school appropriate. I want to give you a little preview of what's going to happen for the rest of the week for English. On Wednesday, I am going to do a mini lesson based on the results of your formative assessment from last week. And we're going to do a mini lesson on main idea and theme. All right, and that's a little flashback from when we had to separate. Because then I am going to be asking you to write about either the theme or life lesson, I guess would be a better word, of Festo in the film that you're going to watch, or what is the main idea. Okay, and I will post again our anchor charts and everything on our classroom site. Okay, on Thursday. This is a fun day. On Thursday, I'm going to be reading a science article out loud, and Ms. Campbell will be there as well. And we're going to be on Google Meet, and we're going to have two read-alouds at 10 and 2. And I'm going to be reading out loud, and she's going to be stopping every once in a while. We'll have really exciting conversation. And then there is going to be a whole team discussion at noon on Thursday. And I miss you all so much, so I'm hoping I'm gonna see you there. Finally, Friday, you are expected to finish up the writing prompt that I am giving you on Wednesday. That is going to be, hopefully you can have that done by about midnight on Friday night. So very exciting week. I will post all of that, and I am looking forward to Thursday and seeing all of you. Remember, go to science first.